Hey there everyone, in this video I want to show you how to force restart, also known as a soft reset, your HTC U Ultra. Alright, so you may want to do this if your phone froze up and it's not working properly. You may want to just do a quick reset to get it working normally again. So let's say the phone froze up here. What we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume up, volume down, and the power button. We're going to hold all three of them at the same time. Continue to hold them until that you see that the phone just shuts off completely. And there we go. Once you see it shut off, just let go of the three buttons and the phone will reboot. Alright, and as you can see, the phone has rebooted. So hopefully that fixed your issue and unfroze your phone. So hope this video was helpful for you. Go ahead and please give it a like. And that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next one. Peace.